Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Game Pass is not launching games on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in Apps and Features. Best result should come back with Apps and Features. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel here in the apps list field, go ahead and search for Xbox. Best match should come back with Xbox. Select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. On the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Reset. Underneath Reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. And then attempt to launch Xbox and see if the Game Pass is resuming normal functionality. If not, come back into here and then select the second option underneath Reset, where if this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And now if you attempt to launch Xbox again, hopefully you should be good to go at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.